Would you like to create a mobile app with native content in it? Hi, my name is Lilia Latchenko and welcome to Choicely App Masterclass. Choicely App Builder has been used to create dozens of world-class apps, like Eurovision Song Contest app, which was featured as #1 in entertainment apps in App Store during the 2024 contest. Native content is the backbone of your app, and you can fine-tune this content to look exactly the way you want. And this content is easy to do with Choicely App Builder. I'll show you how. Go to Choicely Article Builder. You can use ready-made templates or start from scratch. First, you can add article icon, title, and description, and then start adding the building blocks of your content using the easy drag and drop interface. You can use images, text, videos, and so on. Adjust the blocks as you like. You can get into very much detail. Save the piece of content. And that's how it's done. Would you like to try it? Go to choicely.com and start building.